Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today I am here to release these bundles. This is going to be technically like the spring bundle for April, May, and June. Ask and ye shall receive. You guys have been asking where these bundles are, when they're coming, also when April kits are coming. So anyway, I have completed the bundles. It was nothing short of a miracle, I feel like, because I've been trying to work on these for a number of weeks. So anyway, let me share with you guys what the kits are looking like the design outside of a planner, and then I'm going to place them in my personal planner so that I can share with you guys what they look like inside of the planner. So let's hop into it. Okay, so first up we have the April kit. Of course, I like to match the colors of the kits to the corresponding months in the Erin Condren colorful planners. If you have the neutral one like me, this won't be applicable, but for those who use colorful. So this is a purple. It's kind of like a light purple, and I did think it looked nice to kind of offset like the darker, it provides a nice contrast to the dark purple and all of that. April is lowercase, and I think it's the only one that is lowercase. And then here are the washi strips. This is a classic kit, by the way. This is the smallest Erin Condren 7x9 Deluxe monthly kit that you can purchase. If you want a larger one, then you would need to purchase the full EC kit. So this is the classic EC kit, and all of the kits that I'm showing you guys today are going to be classic EC. So here are the 3 washi strips and the payday flags, and they have a little purple strip on them as well. Here are the functional washi strips, and here are the bill due stickers, and then you can use those for whatever you need to use those for. And then here are the scripts. So that is the April kit. Moving on to May. May is capitalized, and I did go with like an orangey type of colorway, and I really do love the little, I'm doing like a lighter color around the, like this strip here, and I think it looks really good, so I really love that. So anyway, here is May. Washi strips, payday flags, functional washi, bill due, and of course the scripts. Last but not least, we have June, capitalized, as you can see. Another, I did that for April too, but I'm not pointing it out until now, but it has like a thinner, like a lighter outline to it, and I think it looks really nice. And decorative washi and payday flags, and functional washi, bill due stickers, and the scripts. And so all of the other kits will honestly look the way that all of the other kits look. I'm just showcasing these here because these are honestly the most popular. These ones, and then the full EC kit. So the full EC literally is basically like, just has more stickers, more decorative washi, more functional washi, more payday flags. That's it. Like, it's just more. It's another full page or 2 pages. So let me just show you guys how these look in the planner. By the way, here are the full page trackers. So I have them for savings and personal loan and house loan and credit cards, and some have numbers and some do not. So you get to choose, you know, which one you want in the shop. But this is for April, so it just matches the kit. This one is for May, and then this one is for June. Also, as far as the bill due stickers, for the mini bill due stickers and the regular bill due stickers, you can purchase corresponding bill due stickers for the kit. And that is because, you know, if you don't have enough stickers in your kit, you can just purchase some more. So anyway, that's all of that. Let me just show you guys a quick flip through. So here is April, and I just put down, you know, the top washi and the script, and one of the bill due stickers and one of the payday flags, so you guys can see just kind of like what it looks like. And then flipping to May. I really like May. May is quite interesting. Has a lot going on, but I really like it. And some months I want to put, I don't know, I like to put my script sticker to kind of fill in space. So like, well, honestly, my April sticker, I put it down and it stayed down, so I couldn't get it back up. But there was no space for me to like fill in for the April design, but there was one for May, so that's why I put it there. I just think it looks good there. And then let me show you guys June, kind of the same thing, but this did have a little space. It kind of looked like that, so I just dropped June right there. Payday flag, builder sticker, all of that good stuff. So these are available at the time that you are watching this video, and I hope that you guys really enjoy these kits because I worked pretty hard on them. So anyway, that is it for this video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.